Well, this is going to be interesting. It's going to be a little different. This is going to be an infrared walk around of my sea to sky. I pulled out my FLIR camera, and here you see the temperature numbers, by the way, are there in the center. Those are in centigrade. FLIR just had it set that way. As you can see, the bike hasn't been running but just a few minutes, and you can get a pretty good idea of just exactly where the heat's coming from off of the radiators, and as we walk around a little bit. And oh, by the way, the flashers are blinking at this point in time, but they're not even showing up. And when we get to the back, you can tell. But this is not too big of a surprise, and the video is only 2 minutes. Would appreciate, if you like this kind of thing, leave me a comment, leave me a like, subscribe. I've got all the kinds of cameras and things of that nature. Here's the heat coming up through the handlebars or through the center tube, which is not a big surprise. You can see that the flashers were actually on there for a brief second. I'm surprised that there's some heat coming off in between the rack there, between the top case. Not surprised that, and again, the flashers are on and you can't even see them, which is somewhat amazing. I would have thought those would have been on. And you've obviously got heat coming up off the muffler, but you can see the cool spots. It's kind of interesting, and this is a fairly cool evening. It's about 60 degrees outside with a bit of a wind. I am somewhat surprised that my LED running boards are lit up as well as they are, but that's just the way that it goes. You can see some heat coming off of the those vents coming off the top, and there's back around to the front. So it was real quick. Just wanted to give you guys and gals a look at it. Again, if you like what you see, give me a like, give me a comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.